Hi, good evening, and our dinner for tonight is bangus. So, ang bangus na to, no, paksiw natin para masarap. Kasi nakakasawa ng tinolang bangus. So, preparation pa to for paksiw. Yan. Na-slice na lahat ng bangus. At I don't know kung anong malaking isda na tong isa, hindi ko alam eh. Yan. Basta alam ko yung bangus lang. So yun, iluluto natin to ngayon para yummy yummy. Ayan. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great evening. Enjoy your dinner tonight. God bless.